Over the last 2 years, the Royal St. Lucia Police Force has been under scrutiny over revelations of issues of sexual misconduct within the force. Subsequent to a police investigation of 4 such allegations against a particular senior member of the force, they were forwarded to the Director of Public Prosecutions, the DPP, earlier this year. Last Thursday, the Commissioner of Police, Vern Gard, announced that the DPP will not be prosecuting 3 of the 4 files submitted.
3 press conferences ago, I did say that when the information becomes available, I would make it available in regards to the allegations against the senior officer for sexual misconduct. Did make a pronouncement that I sent all 4 of the respective files to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. I must say that this morning I had a conversation with the Director of Public Prosecution, who has been able to go through the first 3 files in that matter, and the Director of Public Prosecution has instructed that there is absolutely no prospect of legal proceedings on any one of these matters. This is as much as I have to say on that particular matter.
At the UWP's opposition press briefing on Tuesday, the endorsed candidate for Laborie, JnPierre, presented on this issue. After calling for justice for women subjected to violence, she speculated about the causes and significance of the DPP's decision.
So we ask why. Does Ronald Phillip have political aspirations, as many believe? Whispers abound that Ronald Phillip may have political ambitions, possibly aligning himself with the ruling Labour Party. If that is true, then clearing his name, at least in public perception, becomes not just a legal concern, but a strategic necessity. One cannot, or should I say, should not, enter the political arena burdened with unresolved allegations, especially those of a sexual nature. The quick closure of the 3 complaints seem less like a pursuit of truth and more like a tidy-up operation. Whether Philip intends to run or be installed, the image of squeaky clean is being carefully cultivated, it would seem. So if Philip is being scrubbed clean for public life, it is done by not by defending the truth, but by protecting power.
The issue of sexual harassment and misconduct in the force has been politicized since it was raised in 2023. However, the fact that both law enforcement and the court system are male-dominated, and that sexual offenses are notoriously difficult to prove and prosecute, do enough to account for the outcome of the 3 files that were not prosecuted, without the added political overtones. Meanwhile, the Public Service anti-sexual harassment policy, which the Prime Minister promised to deliver in April 2025, is, to date, 4 months overdue. For Choice News Now, I am Sienna Dalso.